Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use one-click tools to create Dogbone fillets automatically or manually. First, for one-click components, select Properties, then select the frame. In Fitting tab, tick Generate Fitting and select the type for fitting. Dogbone, for example. To make Dogbone fillets at the corners, tick Hole at Corner. Then it's gonna generate the Dogbone fillets at the corners. Next, for every component, for example, an exploded frame, we can use Auto Generate Connector tool. Select the whole frame, then select the tool. Tick Auto Generate Connector and select the type, Dogbone. And to make connectors at corner, then tick the checkbox and hit Execute. So it's finished. Besides, we can also fit the cabinet or adjust connectors manually. For example, I have fitted this cabinet with connector cam lock. Now I'm going to use the tool, Fitting tool, to adjust connectors. Select the tool. First, to create a single hole or single connector, untick the checkbox, Create multi-holes. Then select the type. Notice that for creating a single hole, we can't create a connector at a position where there has been another connector. Now click on the tool panels to create connector. And if we click near which edge, then the distance is from that edge. Type in the distance, 250, for example. Then hit Enter key. So we got a Dogbone fillet there. Next, to create multi-holes, tick the checkbox. In Setting, for Dogbone, the connector range is from 200 to 610. Then it's gonna create two connectors. So again, select the tool, tick Create multi-holes, then select the type and select the tool panels. This edge is 600 in length, so it's gonna create two connectors. Next, to create multi-holes with an exact number, for example 3, then type in the number in a box and tick Create multi-holes and select the type. Then click on the panels. So it has created 3 connectors. Next, we can also create connectors with distance from edge. For example, the Dogbone connectors at a distance 100 millimeters from the edges. So type in the distance in a box, 100 for example, and create multi-holes. Then click on the tool panels. So this distance is 100, and so it is. Now let's generate Gcode and see the result. The information for purchasing products, upgrading software packages, community support links for users, and consultation are provided below the description. So with one-click tools, we can create Dogbone fillets automatically or manually. For more instructions, see you in the next videos.